The Tenee A3 DTF printer is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create professional quality fabric prints with ease. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. Designed with cutting-edge inkjet technology, this printer ensures sharp, vivid, and highly detailed prints whether you're working with light or dark fabrics. It's an excellent choice for small businesses, startups, or personal creative projects thanks to its user-friendly features and reliable performance. One of the biggest advantages of the Tenee A3 DTF printer is its triple ink flow technology, including white ink agitation, white ink circulation, and automatic printhead cleaning. These smart systems keep your printer running smoothly by preventing clogging and maintaining consistent print quality. Whether you're printing intricate designs or large, colorful patterns, this printer makes sure you get professional results without constant maintenance or interruptions. The built-in advanced paper system is another highlight. The air suction technology secures the transfer film during printing, avoiding any wrinkles or shifting. Combined with the fast ink-fixing heating system, the printer locks the ink onto the film quickly and efficiently. You don't have to worry about smudging, ink bleed, or film jams, making the entire printing process seamless and stress-free. Plus, the reliable paper feeding system helps you focus on your designs rather than troubleshooting paper issues. Versatility is at the heart of the Tenee A3 DTF printer. It can print on a wide range of fabrics including cotton, polyester, leather, jeans, hoodies, shoes, socks, pillows, and more. This flexibility allows you to expand your creativity and bring your ideas to life across various products. Whether you're designing t-shirts, hats, handbags, or custom home decor items, this printer can handle it all with ease. Another important aspect is the exceptional customer support. Tenee offers dedicated one-on-one technical assistance with a team available 24/7, especially to help with software installation and troubleshooting. Their remote guidance ensures that even if you're new to DTF printing, you can get started confidently without feeling overwhelmed. Overall, the Tenee A3 DTF printer offers an outstanding balance of high-end performance, ease of use, and great value for money. It's a complete package that includes not just the printer, but also essential accessories like software, an oven, powder, 5 250 milliliters ink bottles, and 1 roll of film to get you started right away. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available.